Hello and a very warm welcome to each one of you. And today we are moving ahead with insight number 62. Um, but before we begin today's insight, let's pause for a moment and revisit कि part 6 ने अभी तक क्या सिखाया है. We have read only one insight, that was insight number 61. But yes, this section is about human psychology. And already it is inviting us to look beyond what we think and start examining how we think. In insight number 61, एक सेकेंड होल्ड करो, रुको एक मिनट. आपको कोई आवाज आ रही है क्या पीछे से? लेट मी स्विच दिस ऑफ, एक मिनट. हाँ, ऑलराइट. सो आई एम सॉरी अबाउट दैट. इनसाइट नंबर 61 में हमने लर्न किया कि ह्यूमन बीइंग्स जो होते हैं, दे ऑफन प्रेफर कि दे प्रेफर फीलिंग राइट ओवर बीइंग राइट. हमने डिस्कवर किया देर आर फोर मोड्स ऑफ थिंकिंग. एक प्रीचर मोड होता है, एक प्रोसिक्यूटर मोड होता है, एक पॉलिटिशियन मोड होता है, और लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट द साइंटिस्ट. एंड परहैप्स द बिगेस्ट लेसन was कि growth begins when certainty ends. The moment we become willing to question our assumptions, we create space for learning. ठीक है. सो बेसिकली हमारे को साइंटिस्ट मोड में थिंक करना शुरू करना है. आस्क अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस टू योरसेल्फ फॉर व्हाटएवर यू बिलीव. ठीक है. एंड टुडेज इनसाइट टेक्स दैट लेसन वन स्टेप फर्दर. Last session में insight 61 was about questioning our beliefs. Today it is about loosening our attachment to them. Okay. So and why is that important? क्योंकि जो wisdom है, that does not come from always being right, है ना. Wisdom comes from being willing to learn. इसके बारे में सोचना ध्यान से. आपको जहां पर भी लाइफ में जो भी आपने सीखा होगा, that has come to you क्योंकि you were willing to learn. Now, insight number 62 says, confident humility is the doorway to wisdom and success. एक बात बताओ. When was the last time you changed your mind about something important? Not because किसी ने आपको फोर्स किया था, not because कोई argument, you lost an argument, but because you genuinely learned something new. Well, for many of us, that does not happen very often. And the reason is surprisingly simple. क्या है पता है? Most people don't just have opinions. They become their opinions. Their beliefs becomes their identity. और जब एक बार ये हो जाता है ना, आपको फिर अपना माइंड को चेंज करना ऐसा लगता है जैसे यू आर लूजिंग अ पार्ट ऑफ योरसेल्फ. चलो, let me start sharing the screen. Let's read this together and learn more about it. What does the insight, what is the insight trying to teach us, and what do we have that we understand? This is insight number 62. Confident humility is the doorway to wisdom and success. In a world where certainty is praised and praised as a symbol of power, it is easy to forget that true strength lies in being open to new perspectives. And that is exactly why this space was created, so that we all are open to new perspectives. So growth is meant to happen here. Rana, wonderful, right? All right. So being wrong is the only way I feel sure I have learned anything, says Daniel Kahneman. From brilliant scientists and artists to great leaders and presidents, the common denominator of success is their ability to embrace cognitive flexibility and consider every angle before making a decision. Progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. This quote by George Bernard Shaw perfectly captures the importance of being capable, being able to adapt the new ideas. In fact, good judgment projects, regular forecasting tournaments have shown that those who are willing to revise their forecasts regularly are more likely to make accurate predictions. Franklin D. Roosevelt, the President of the United States, was a firm believer in the power of experimentation and was not afraid to experiment with bold, persistent change. He trusted that the public would follow his lead, and that trust led to his election as president 4 times. Sometimes emphasizing what will change is the most effective way to persuade people to embrace change. So the action step for today is define yourself by your values rather than your opinions. Examine what really matters to you, then appraise your opinions accordingly. Invite people to question your thinking. Set up a challenge network of supportive friends who can pressure test your views. Oh, this is a good thing to do. Invite people to question your thinking. Would you be ready? मुझे ये बताओ. Would you be up for this kind of a challenge? कि कोई आपकी थिंकिंग को बार बार चैलेंज करे. वैसे बाय द वे आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट आई हैव अ फ्रेंड of that kind who challenges every idea that is shared with her. So I am blessed. I get to know a lot better. I get a lot of clarity on my ideas as well because of that. All right. क्या समझे? मुझे ये बताओ. एक नहीं, इमेजिन करो कि कोई आपको कह रहा है कि आई एम अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन. ठीक है. Imagine someone saying, I'm a successful person. That is very different from saying कि I hold this particular opinion. एक है जो rooted है in the identity और दूसरा है जो सिर्फ एक आइडिया है. और हमको ये पता है अब कि जो आइडिया होता है that can change और जो values होती हैं वो they remain, है ना? And that's exactly what today's insight is teaching us. The author has talked about something called confident humility. At first glance, those words seem very opposite. Confident sounds like strong, or जो humility है, it sounds like soft, right? Humble. And together they create something very powerful. Confident humility का मतलब होता है कि I believe in myself, but I don't assume I know everything. I have convictions, but I am willing to learn. Confident humility का मतलब होता है I trust my judgment, फिर भी I am open to being wrong. Think about the wisest people you have met. Were they very loud? Were they the loudest people in the room? Usually not. Often they were people asking thoughtful questions. The ones who were listening carefully, the ones who were learning constantly, because wisdom and curiosity are close friends. अगर आपको क्यूरियोसिटी होगी, जितनी क्यूरियोसिटी होगी, why, how, उतनी ही आपके अंदर क्लैरिटी एंड विजडम भी ज्यादा होगी. और जब ईगो आ जाती है ना बीच में, ईगो और क्यूरियोसिटी नहीं होती. आप देख लो जितने भी इगोइस्टिक पीपल होंगे, दे विल आस्क क्वेश्चन बट दे वर नॉट, दे दोस क्वेश्चंस विल नॉट बी out of curiosity to learn but to demean you mostly. ठीक है. Many years ago a teacher wrote a sentence on a blackboard. The sentence was intentionally wrong. पूरी क्लास ने नोटिस कर लिया कि there is a mistake. Everyone laughed and pointed it out. The teacher smiled and said, कि वाह इंटरेस्टिंग, आप में से किसी ने ये नोटिस नहीं किया द 9 थिंग्स आई गॉट राइट। आपने सिर्फ वो नोटिस किया कि आपकी मेरी एक चीज गलत थी, वन थिंग दैट आई गॉट रॉन्ग। एंड दैट इज हाउ अवर माइंड वर्क्स। वी ऑफन rush we rush to judge rather than understand, to criticize rather than to explore, to defend ourselves rather than to learn. And same things happen inside our own minds. We become attached to being correct. We become very comfortable and we become very uncomfortable with uncertainty. Yet, life itself is very uncertain, isn't it? People who grow the most are the people are not those who know the most, they are the ones who keep learning the longest and the most. एक डैनियल कैनमैन की जो इन्होंने वो बोली लाइन कि बीइंग रॉन्ग इज द ओनली वे आई फील श्योर आई हैव लर्नड एनीथिंग। क्या ब्यूटीफुल थॉट है, इजंट इट? थिंक अबाउट अ चाइल्ड लर्निंग टू वॉक, द एग्जांपल दैट आई कीप गिविंग। They don't treat falling as a failure. They treat it as a part of learning. And we all clap for it, right? But somewhere along the way, many adults start believing the mistakes are embarrassing. And that is why they stop experimenting. क्या सकते और क्या stop करते हैं? They stop experimenting. They stop questioning. And of course, with the result, they stop growing. They want to remain in a cocoon if they are the best. They know it all. ऑथर ने एग्जाम्पल शेयर किया लीडर्स का, साइंटिस्ट का, इनोवेटर्स का एंड ऑल who have succeeded because they were willing to adapt, not because they were always right but because they remained flexible. क्यों? क्योंकि हम सबको पता है कि रियलिटी चेंजेस एवरी सिंगल डे, इंफॉर्मेशन इज चेंजिंग। आप पिछली जनरेशन देख लो, अपने आप को देख लो और अपने बच्चों को देख लो, पीपल आर चेंजिंग। और कभी कभी विजडम मीन्स चेंजिंग टू। एंड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पावरफुल आइडियाज इन टुडेज इनसाइट इज कि ये लिखा है ना, डिफाइन योर सेल्फ विद बाय योर वैल्यूज रादर देन योर ओपिनियंस। क्यों पता है? क्योंकि ओपिनियंस चेंज होते रहते हैं और वैल्यूज जो होती हैं उसके थ्रू तो हम गाइड होते हैं। For example, if one of my values is growth, then changing my mind is not a threat. It is an evidence कि yes, I am growing. अगर आपकी एक वैल्यू है truth, then learning new information becomes exciting rather than uncomfortable. अगर आपकी एक वैल्यू है compassion, then listening becomes more important than winning. Yeah. एंड इसके बाद दूसरा इनविटेशन था, एक्शन स्टेप फॉर टुडे वाज इनवाइट पीपल टू क्वेश्चन योर थिंकिंग। दिस इज सो वेरी पावरफुल। इनवाइट पीपल टू क्वेश्चन योर थिंकिंग। Oh, let's be honest. Most of us don't enjoy being challenged, do we? But challenge is often where growth begins. Imagine karo having imagine having a friend who lovingly says, have you considered another perspective? टू बी ऑनेस्ट, अगर आप उसकी बात पे ध्यान करोगे, गौर करोगे, तो यू विल सी दैट योर फ्रेंड मे सेव यू फ्रॉम years of unnecessary suffering. Why? Because blind spots are called blind spots because for a reason, क्योंकि हम नहीं देख सकते उनको. So sometimes other people help us discover what we cannot see. तो आज ना I want you to do this reflection, and what I want you to reflect on is कि what belief have you been holding so tightly that it that it has stopped you from learning further, and what exactly would happen if what exactly would happen if just for a moment you became curious instead of certain. Because confidence is not always saying ki I already know. Confidence is in saying ki I can learn. And humility is not thinking less of yourself. It is being open enough to keep growing. ये जो balance है ना between confidence and humility, this is where the wisdom lives. And perhaps that is the doorway not only to success, but to richer, wiser, and more fulfilling life. Yes. Well, that's it for today. Think about it. I would really love for you to think on a few questions like, I have shared already in this session. If you missed them, go back, rewatch this recording and pen it down and write about it. All right. Chalo. Take good care of yourself, and the ones who are a part of 10 p.m. session, looking forward to be with you in the 10 p.m. Rest all, take good care of yourself. See you tomorrow at 1 p.m. And we have few more days to go with this book. I think there are only 71 insights. Only. Haha. Huh? You got it, right? Only 71 insights, and we are already on 62. So tomorrow is number 63. So I think 2 more weeks to go with this book. Stay consistent. See you back tomorrow at 1 p.m. Lots of love. God bless you. Have a beautifully wonderful day. Bye bye.